Hi, my name is Zora Bahman, and I am proposing to work on a new modality for the civil society and civic movements to work in restrictive environments like the one I am recording this video in, which is Afghanistan. Increasingly, over the last decade, the number of restrictive governments have increased, and the usual way that the civil society and social movements work to give civilians their rights and to provide them with services are no longer functional, because the system actually relies on democracy. The system relies on accountability and visibility. But the reality on the ground is that these things are no longer possible. So I am documenting an alternative inside Afghanistan for the last 5 years, and I want to scale it up, document it, and see how can we implement it elsewhere.